Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another video. In this video, we're going to be talking about how to fix your WhatsApp media not downloading. So let's just get straight into the video. This is generally caused either because you have a insufficient storage space or if your internet is bad. The first thing you want to do is ensure that you have a speed internet connection or stable internet connection by trying to switch between your Wi-Fi and your mobile data to see if it is really your internet messing up. Make sure that VPN is always turned off, and also simply try to turn on and turn off your airplane mode just to give it that quick refresh. The other thing you want to do is simply go ahead and open your settings and head down to general and scroll all the way down to transfer or reset iPhone. Click on reset and reset network settings. It is as simple as that. If that is still not working, then try to update your application. So open your App Store or Play Store and simply go ahead and search for WhatsApp. Once you've done that, you want to click on the application and there will be a update button if you don't have any updates available, or if you have updates available, there's going to be an update button. So there is going to be a update button where the open button is when you have updates available. I hope this video clarified everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below and I'll see you on the next one.